the instant affiliate system review. That is what we'll be checking out in this video. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and a lot more. So in a nutshell, the instant affiliate system is all about how you can get started with the affiliate marketing by doing something called launch jacking. Launch jacking means creating a review video and putting it out on YouTube in front of the other videos for the same product. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area of Instant Affiliate System. I'll be also showing you my custom bonuses which I've specially crafted for you guys. And then I'll be telling you if this product is a good fit for you or not. So affiliate marketing is a very vast subject. And there are different ways with which you can promote products as an affiliate. And this is where a newbie, a person who wants to get started with the affiliate marketing, gets confused because there is so many methods, there is so many things. So this particular course, this is an info-based training course which is going to be released on Warrior Plus Marketplace on 17th of November, and this will teach you everything about how you need to pick up the products, how you need to create a review video, how you need to post that video on YouTube, and how you need to make those commissions, which is what all we need. And this method, this is personally I use in my business. I do a lot of reviews, I do launch jacking, so I know that this strategy does work. So now let me just take you inside the members area of the Instant Affiliate System and show you what all we have got and what all you're going to learn. So this is how the members area gonna look like. You have got the welcome video. Then you will be told about the overview of how you need to get started with and what all this method is all about. And then comes the main training section, which talks about how you need to set up the different foundations, how you need to, what all tools you need. Then you will learn about offers and promotions, how you need to do the product research, how you need to organize yourself. It is very important that you need to keep yourself organized in terms of different files and folders that you will learn. And then you will learn about how you need to prepare for the review video. That is a very important step. You need to be prepared for the video. Then you will learn how to record the video and how you need to upload it and optimize on YouTube. So people think that, okay, launch jacking is just about creating a review video and posting it on YouTube. But they do not know about the big picture, that how you need to optimize that video, how you need to do a proper review of a product, so that your video comes up in search results when someone is typing for a particular keyword. Let's say the Instant Affiliate System review. If someone is typing that in YouTube, you want your video to come up. So this training covers all the aspects of it. And then there is the conclusion video, and then there are some bonuses, vendor bonuses, and there are a few upgrades as well, which I will be covering later on in this video. And then you have the option to watch the exclusive free webinar on affiliate marketing. So this is all inside the members area of the Instant Affiliate System. And to complement this product and to help you out, I have also got my bonuses which I have crafted specially for you guys. The link to my bonus page is in the description down below. And once you click on that link, you will come to this particular page. And you need to make sure that you pick up your bonuses before this countdown timer runs out. And the number one bonus which I'm going to offer is my 60-minute one-to-one coaching call with me, where we can discuss about anything related to online business. If you need any assistance on any topic, be it launch jacking, be it YouTube, Facebook, anything. So that is going to be my number one bonus of 60-minute one-to-one time with me. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you 40 high-quality products which you can offer as a bonus. See, bonuses are very important because you are competing with the other affiliates who are promoting the same product, and how you distinguish yourself from the others is through your bonuses. So I'm going to give you these 40 ready to use bonuses. These are trainings on different topics, and which you can use in your campaigns, and you can also build your list through it. Bonus number 3, I'm going to give you a training course on Google Ads. So if you want to take your launch hacking to the next level, then you need to invest in paid ads. You can run Google ads to promote the different offers from Warrior Plus and JVZoo. So this training will cover that part of paid traffic when you want to take it to the next level. Bonus number 4, I'm going to give you my product List Lariat, the front end of it, and the OTO one, which is the upgrade number 1. So List Lariat is all about building your email list by giving out free products. So you will have access to this product for absolutely free as a bonus if you decide to pick up the instant affiliate system using my link. Bonus number 5, you're going to get all the vendor bonuses right inside the members area, which I had shown you over here. And all your bonuses will be available right inside the Warrior Plus dashboard. Once you complete your purchase, you will see this button of access affiliate bonus, and you just need to click on that button and your bonuses will be right there waiting for you. And all you need to do, just click on any of these buttons on this bonus page. That will take you to this particular sales page, and it says do you want to get instant results, the proven system that will turn any newbie into an instant sales generating machine. So I tend to agree with this headline of it's a proven system that can turn any newbie into an instant sales generating machine. But this is not a strategy which is going to give you results overnight. You're not going to become an overnight millionaire. But this is a proven system. There are so many people who are following the same method and are getting results. And rest you can have a look at the sales page. This is the creator of this product, Paul, and he is one of my fellow Ministry of Freedom member. And rest you can have a look at the sales page once you are ready to make the purchase. Now talking about if this product is a good fit for you or not. See, as I said, there are different ways with which you can get started with affiliate marketing, and launch hacking is a proven strategy, and this has been there for quite some time, and people are getting awesome results using launch hacking. Even I am getting results using launch hacking. So this training will teach you everything what you need around launch hacking. As I said, it is not just about creating a review video and just posting it on YouTube. You need to understand the big picture. You need to understand some small things like SEO part of it, how you need to record the video, how you need to optimize the video for YouTube. So this is going to be covered everything inside this training course. And also my bonuses, they are going to help you out with this product. And literally after getting this product, you can just get started with building your online business using launch hacking and creating reviews. So it's a thumbs up from my side. This product is a proven strategy. It works. I'm using this strategy and it's a thumbs up from me. I highly recommend you picking up this product if you want to get started with online marketing, or if you want to add another stream of income in your online business or whatever you are doing. So guys, I hope my review has helped you to make an informed buying decision about the instant affiliate system. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And again, the link to my bonus page is there in the description down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.